Well, hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I am back. I'm not 100%, but I'm much better than I was a couple days ago. May sound a little nasal, forgive me, but we're back. All right, today I want to go over, I've got a lot of updates. A few systems have notified all the members of some changes they're making. I don't know what's going on. It's like 4 or 5 different programs that I have. They all have notified us that, hey, they got new back offices coming. They're changing their websites and all those things. So I'm going to be doing those this week. And Guaranteed Leads is one of those. Guaranteed Leads IO, the best source for automated leads and automated cash flow. I like this little system, an affiliate marketing system. With this system, guys, you're able to earn $75 commissions. I love it. It's only $125 one time to get started. No monthly fees. And it solves your problem. What is that? How to get leads. How to get people that's interested in your opportunity. That is the biggest challenge that most people have. Okay? They may have a great opportunity, but they don't have anybody to show it to. They have, I guess, talked to all their friends and family in what they call a no friends left club. They've exhausted those possibilities. So they're like, well, who do I show this to? This is the perfect system for you guys. First of all, on the front end, you're able to earn $75 payments when you resell this system. You're able to receive these payments any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, etc. Even Bitcoin. Okay? Most of these affiliate programs that I'm a part of, they ask you in your back office, in your profile, how do you want to get paid? You can accept Bitcoin too. Okay? I love that. So, on the front end, you have this system that does all the selling and telling for you. Watch this video. Opt into my capture page and watch this video. Okay? Now, what they're able to offer, not only are you going to get this system for $125 and you're able to earn $75 commissions, you're going to get access to targeted leads, a company, a third-party vendor, a company in the back office that has high-quality targeted leads. Okay, that's an additional service, but you'll have access to that. I've already used it. It does work. Matter of fact, I spoke to the company on Friday. They were just following up with me to see how things were going. So that company is very hands-on. Okay, you can reach out to them and they'll talk to you and explain everything and get you all set up. But at any rate, you want to get access to that, because what will happen is you're able to get leads on a daily basis. Okay, people are gonna they're gonna send text messages and emails to these people and send them your link. Whatever the link is you want to promote, this third-party company will send your link to these people. They've already interviewed these folks. Okay, guys? So these are people that have raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in a home-based business and I can spend up to $400 if I find the right opportunity. This is what these targeted leads have already specified. Okay? So a great way to get started. So the power of now, you're going to combine this lead generating service. You create an extremely powerful money-making system, a system where 95% of the work is done for you, and once qualified, you make $75 per sale. All right, so check out how we create leverage for you with our compensation plan. It's pretty cool. Your very first sale you make, guys, $75. So you kind of break even, okay? It's $125. $75 goes to the person that referred you. All right? And then your second sale is going to pass up, and third sale and beyond, you keep all those sales. But you're going to receive a sale from everybody that signs up with you. Their second sale passes up to you. So this is what gives you leverage in the system. All right. So let's take a look, because they're making some updates. This is a great page right here. All right, but they're making some updates in the back office. See right here, start for only $125. Targeted leads, automated SMS communication, email marketing, lead marketing. This actually does work. Like I said, I get emails every day, text messages every day that they're sending my link to these prospects, and then when it becomes a hot lead, I get a text message and say, hey, this is a hot lead. You may want to reach out to them. I mean, you can't beat that. That is leads on autopilot, actually on steroids, okay? So let's take a look. They're upgrading the back office, okay? But check this system out, guys. Simple, easy system, and it's affordable for everybody. And everybody needs leads, so this is going to give you access to that, and not to mention making these $75 commissions. That gives you cash flow. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, we're in the back office right here. You can see they've already changed some stuff. This green, they've got all this stuff highlighted. Right here, income stream number 1, number 2, number 3. The bonuses, it's not complete yet, okay? But they're just notifying us that it is going to be changed. I like what they've done to the system, by the way. If you come over here, you'll see your marketing funnels. Just click capture pages. All right, and they have many capture pages in here for you to use to drive traffic to your site. This system includes capture pages, the autoresponder. Everything is already built in. You don't have to go outside this system to get anything set up. Okay, it's already done for you right here. All right, and then you have your landing pages. Well, landing page, which is the page we were just on. All right, which is this page right here. That page does all the selling and telling. All right, then you have your tools here. Email autoresponder. You can also send an email broadcast to all your leads, guys. It's powerful. They have in here banners. Okay, you can post these banners on classified ads pages. Okay, websites. When people click your link, because it's already coded to you, takes them right to the capture page, okay, for them to check out the opportunity. Then they have picks and shovels. This is where you want to go to get that lead source that I'm talking about. Then right here is where your referrals and your commissions are. And under here, the contacts is where all your contacts are, the names and emails of the people that opted into your page. Very simple system, but powerful. Okay, look right here, it says, here's the email I received. Hi Pandora, we have lots of cool stuff here in our March update. Click the link. You must be logged in. You can also get to the update inside of your GL dashboard from the side menu, resources, GL updates. Okay, so they've notified us that changes are coming. They're making to the system to make it even better than what it is. So I'm going to click that. Click resources, and right here, check it out. Stacking the value, bonuses, marketing, training, do you know, affiliate program, system setup, and GL updates. Let me see what that is. Okay, yes, this is where they give a lot more of the updates here. I'm not going to read those online, but I will go down a little bit. Even though we opened in January, we're literally just getting started here at Guaranteed Leads. So many great things in store for us as we move forward on this journey. Under construction, we're in the middle of installing a new step-by-step process on the dashboard. You'll notice some visual changes and new videos. Picks and shovels video is new. More coming. We'll continue adding new goodies to make GL the best, most automated lead and cash flow system we can. All right. So great stuff. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, so if you're looking for a system that's affordable, $125, one time, no monthly fees, and you're able to earn $75 commissions, definitely go to the link in the description. I got a new capture page that I've switched over to for this one, so go check it out and get started, all right? Once you've made your payment, you're going to get an email from me, a welcome email, and we will do a quick chat so I can just make sure that you have onboarded correctly, and I can direct you where you need to go. And we will talk about a marketing plan for you as well. All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like the video, please, and thank you. Have a blessed day.